For today's video, I will be teaching you how to delete app data or clear cache on your iPhone or iPad. What you have to do is open Settings and then scroll down until you see the General button or icon. Once you're here, just press iPhone Storage and wait for the page to completely load. This might take a few seconds depending on the storage of your phone. And once it's completely loaded, you'll see all applications installed on your phone. For sample purposes, I'll open or press Facebook, and here you'll see the option or the button Offload App. So just press this, and then this will automatically delete app data and clear cache. However, you have to take note that by offloading the app, you have to reinstall it again, and this will automatically bring back the application while still keeping you logged in. It just cleared some storage and some data, but not all data on your Facebook will be erased. Now, if what you want to achieve is to delete all the data, including your login information and the likes, what you can do instead is to delete the application itself. On the same page, you'll see the Delete App button, so just press that, and once you repress Delete App, all of the login information and other data will be deleted. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.